everyone, and welcome back to Teaching Bee. So today we are going to be dividing fractions, and in this particular case today we are going to be dividing a mixed number with a fraction and then take you through all the steps from there. So we have the problem 1 1/6 divided by 3/4. So the first step that we're going to want to do is write the mixed number to an improper fraction. The second step is we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. And then the third, we're going to cancel any common factors, if any, and then multiply across. And lastly, we will simplify if needed. So I did do another video working with reciprocal, so if you need a review on that, go ahead and check out that video. I'll try to link it up here. Otherwise, let's get started. So again, the first step was to write the mixed number into an improper fraction. So we have 1 1/6. So if we remember, how to do this is we keep our denominator the same, which is 6, and then for the top we take 1 times 6, or our denominator times our whole number, and then we add whatever is on our numerator, which is 1 in this case. So in this case we have 6 times 1, which is 6, plus 1 more, which is 7. So we have 7/6 as our improper fraction that we can now work with. So if we rewrite our problem, and I'm going to go ahead and just give us a little more space down here. So if we rewrite our problem down here, we have now our improper fraction of 7/6 divided by 3/4. All right, and so for the rule is we want to now multiply the reciprocal of the divisor. So in that case, it's going to be our 3/4. So we are going to rewrite this problem as 7/6 times our reciprocal of 3/4, which is going to be 4/3. And now we have a much easier problem to solve in a sense. From here, we want to go ahead and cancel any common factors, and then we can multiply across. So in this case, we do have a common factor, which is our 6 and a 4. They both can be reduced if we multiply both of them by 2, or I'm sorry, divide by 2. So we have 2 here, 2 times 2 is 4, and then we have a 2 times 3, which would give us 6. And that kind of reduces it there. And now we can multiply across. So 7 times 2 gives us 14, and 3 times 3 gives us 9. So the last step here says we need to simplify if needed. Well, we can't simplify this or break it down anymore. However, this is an improper fraction, and in math, we don't like to leave it as an improper fraction, so we are going to now make it back into a mixed number. So again, let's give me just a little bit more space here. So how do we do it and make our improper fraction back to a mixed number? Well, we are going to take our 14 divided by 9, so we have 14 divided by 9. And it's going to go in at least one time. 9 times 1 is 9. We subtract that down, and that's going to give us 14 minus 9 is 5. And that's going to be our remainder. So to make this into a mixed number, it's going to now become 1, which is here, and our remainder, which is 5, and our denominator, which stays the same, which is 9. So 1 5/9 is going to be your answer to this problem. All right, if you have any other questions, please place them down below. I would love to answer or do a different walkthrough, or if you need something that needs a little bit more explaining, I'd love to help out with that as well. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.